My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Skynet. The video will demonstrate to you why exactly this ransomware is called like that and what it does with the files. The ransomware is able to considerably damage the files which the customers store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. You have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack I was able to open the files without any complications. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the system, this Skynet ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. All this data is damaged and encrypted by this Skynet ransomware. Now you can clearly see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. The ransomware encrypts the files. It also adds a special random extension to the files. The random extension consists of 4 random characters. The ransomware drops this Skynet data file on the computer desktop, which mentions that all your files are encrypted. It tells the victims to pay the ransom and to contact the developers using this email address. But paying the ransom or contacting the developers surely is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting your data restored, so don't ever pay the ransom. You can also clearly see that the ransomware has changed the desktop background into the black theme. First thing I recommend you to do is carefully check the task manager if you can, but in many cases it's not possible to access the task manager. Now, I recommend you to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin carefully researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, of course, is the part of the premium license only. You need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner is successfully accomplished, and then the Combo Cleaner will show you the report mentioning threats that were found on your computer. It will also tell you the locations of these threats. I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license in order to remove all these threats altogether automatically and to have your data always protected in the future.